The world of restaurant is growing bigger every day, and the consumer globally is getting more demanding. You have to adapt to the growing expectations of consumers and deliver them round-the-clock service and more personalized product offerings. FusionMobi protects you from competition pressures and helps you stay ahead in the race. Let's take a look. Customer places order through FusionMobi order screen on a tablet, and the order is displayed on the kitchen display system. Chef prepares the order. When the order is ready, the servers get intimated about the same. Bill is sent to customer's mobile for payment. Customer makes payment through mobile wallet. Are your customers complaining about slow service and delayed check? Contact +919831926662 or visit www.fusionresto.com for a free demo.